This 2014 Tiffin Allegro Red 38QRA is a Class A RV. It is located in Liberty Lake, Washington, 99016 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Liberty Lake. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. This 2014 Tiffin Allegro Red 38QRA is built on a Freightliner RED chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.